Ibwaga mutegeri kuthowe na tue aja mubango ne joa Gikaro na Kaunti oninge twa Eston Gitonga Antone akarimi Kaunti na ntukwe na rua tauria nkwire mutegeri twe na KIMATHI Amundi uria na ri DEO rwangine rwa kithomo ntecha Southimenti kinya na ri County Secretary ke thirikari ya mbere ya County ya Meru na kinya na rwagira gite kia obunge kia Centralmenti ntukwe na rua itukwenda kumenya KIMATHI Amundi nkurukibwaga muno bona KIMATHI kweja studio chetu.
Asante sana.
Tukiambiria buga no tuwe KIMATHI Amundi no antu batije KIMATHI no.
Asante sana Mr. Gitonga. Marita mbita Julius KIMATHI mbaya Amundi. Oga indale County Secretary thirikari ni Governor Munya ira yanjiritie na indale nya Chief of Staff. In fact yanjiritie ni Chief of Staff. Ndajoka giti ya County Secretary gikumira ndapra ndajukwende County Secretary na endo Public Service nyuma wao wa indale ndiyo indanjiritie koraja muno ndi mwalimu ndene secondary school at university na ndachoka nda deputy principal nda EO nda deputy ndio dharanja Meru nda ndio wajia ndachoka ya Southimenti from there ndanjire nda county the chief of staff and county secretary na 2017 rira kura chetirwe inda umire ndeta kuchwa gitiga Centralmenti and PNU ticket ira twali na Governor Munya tuli and PNU
na
nyaruterwa kanisa ndi mutongeria ni chairman wa Kaliene Catholic Church ni chairman wa parish ya Kaliene na ni chairman wa entire dinari yeto imenti central dinari
koko mutongeria kuba tene
ni chairman wa Kaliene police station era twanjirite wake gita muno na committee ra ndathuri that time na nyamankana no ni chairman so wicho portfolio chiako cha community now na ingeira chief office
bwana KIMATHI kuma ke manto jawarimo mwanka county secretary watonya tonyere atia thirikari
ne ndio Southimenti inda iterengo mwa gitalanda ndio na I left my legacy Southimenti na gitare wirio orole ngabana akuthura ngabana Munya ambetere thirikari nende tare undu kwa ndeta ndi chief of staff na nenda umanare ndatonya thirikari ne na ndi gitega county secretary kuma still ngabana Munya nengera giteke unde county secretary na endo public service na ndi thirikari yake thira gechwa kura ndamwere ngwenda gwita gutethia antu betu ba Centralmenti ndiro gituma ndachwa kura Centralmenti na ndone kura inyingi na ngibachokeria nkatho nonto abachokeria nkatho nonto riri bampete support and PNU ticket nyethere mantu jagitiro lakini antu bampete support ine mone ngo bachokeria nkatho yes
na no twire mbuga experience ya kuta county secretary nonto kitekeo ikethwa kwina pressure kuma kunde experience ya kuta county secretary yariko.
Asante sana Mr. Gitonga. County secretary no county secretary no yo ya minutes ya cabinet na no end of public service na ngoge wa mainly coordination na ku communicate manto ya cabinet ya kiri department na ku coordinate chief officers kenda thirikari the bufuro na coordination ya thirikari lero na whether and from time to time no brief governor what is going on in the government and pair square county secretary coordinator no coordinate nyanto ba ditibango ya thirikari wana policy ira bwa kurukia cabinet iko furo to the CCs na cheta ke chief officers na implementwa na wata ke implementation ya dhani buya dhani weta pa ora pokro kitenda na cabinet ite very sensitive na ite kwenda kenda mtu ajitolea with overtime with sacrifice now coordinate and with a lot of love and is a seat where you need to ensure policy ya thirikari gwita na implementwa na tena commotion na thirikari achieve objectives chiao maximally olevati always is a seat that ogaita effectively get a bit of knowledge no wete experience elsewhere. Okay, ya kumbrenda nero wete. When you are supported purely by the governor, who is the head of the government, Yaoni, I got a lot of support from Munya at the time, Governor Munya, who is now the CS, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Industry, Trade and Cooperative, and I'm better a lot of support as a county secretary. So I was entirely able to perform well, because he had given me a lot of backing. Now I was also highly supported by the ministers and the CCs. I was highly supported by the chief officers and the senior staff, basically, all the senior staff. And then on my policy was open door policy. Anybody could come to my office, anybody. So anybody, I had to be as a sweeper or driver was free to come to my office and give views, which if I find it, they come back, which is sort out, then I communicate the governor or I share with the CC, tuomba kuthithia, fine, tualemwa. We take to the governor who, and then that's yet another level, get and then a cabinet. Yeah.
Na mbuga relation na Munya kuritaniria ngugi na governor wa mbere Peter Munya yari atia we county secretary.
Asante sana bwana Gitonga. Governor Munya was a wonderful man. You know, Munya is a worker, a workaholic. He works, and he works 24/7. So if you are working under his government, no lazima with him to sharp, not to, you know, he works throughout, and every time he was thinking about the county. Go lazima with every time you have answers. He was very passionate about Meru County. He was very passionate about but he gave you a lot of freedom to work. Lakini every particular on service delivery. So it had a two-way arat. Lakini we ambitious cannot titango wino. Yeah, when you are saying can't. They are very difficult. Lakini if you are up to the task, you enjoy working with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na no areke rwangi rwa kithomo.
Yes.
Na wambirio mwarimu.
Yes.
Na watuika kinya dio.
Yes.
Curriculum njero kwambirwa thai. Opinion yaku ni iriku?
I think you know, education is dynamic. You know, education has been changing since time immemorial. Now in dynamic, what they are giving out now, I see as per the change it is applicable and it is necessary. Yeah, it is necessary where we will be able to develop more skills, where students will be evaluated from time to time, where at least we will not have waste in the process of the system. Well, it is nice because everybody will have the competence. Everybody, by the way, useless. Everybody got, you know, that's the head. But in a scale, you know, in a scale, to from the ground. Now, then you start developing the country from that level. For the border. Okay, that was zero. Lakini kokoro na mabira, you are excellent. So you become a multi-billionaire and you'll be able to build the economy. So on the competence based, I think it's a wonderful system. Though with more public participation, people preparedness, and the back prepare. What everybody is now ready for the system, so that it will not have so many barriers as it is being implemented. They have vetted all the system because the experts are there, so that it has a flow. You know, because the country will look like the education system. Yes.
Na kigerio kia last year. KCP na kia KCSE tuone very many cases chia teenage pregnancies. Imbiki bateria kuthithiru ari baba beto be chukuru.
More much is on counseling, both at the school level and even in churches, even at home. I think because our youth today, they are a bit more exposed. And you know, there is a tender hinge. So I think much of it is, you know, youth no rock and no monde. Na akadirwa more counseling, akamend more alert, more much where all components everybody can plays is all apart. If it's at home, then they are able to be given some counseling. In the churches where they go on Sundays, they have counseling. The system itself now in schools, I think they should be exposed more to the counseling, right from the lower classes up to the top level. I think that way we can still manage all those things, because pregnancy is about emotional and it's about the relationship. Yeah.
Na tukiuma kimanto na ndete ya chukuru rate ya KIMATHI agere interest ya siasa tonto wa edio wagere ya interest yehu.
Asante sana Gitonga. You know, when I became the county secretary, I was much more exposed to the politicians. And I just wanna, this world is about the politics. And if you want to have people to develop properly, it's politics. Because a politician, no ukuga. They are the ones who are making laws in parliament. Kwa jerira bakadia na ara chia kegama, community ya kegama. Kwa ukeda kuena sheria ikumeko ni antosoba, and a very unique sheria. Then the country can turn Menyante kureka roka in a single minute. Hatu, for example, somebody who came up with a bill, CDF. You know, it was just one MP. But you can see what CDF does to, has done to where country. It is being used well. Na leo tumekapaka mantajare kodidya. Kwa me, I thought the county secretary, looking back Central Menti, where I come from, you know, the area is highly disadvantaged. I normally say area at ICU. It's a constituency with no tarmac single kilometer. It's a constituency education standards are one thing, because to tena school in to bagwikumeria is an where to tenya chipitali to banande kuga is a high level. You know, it's a constituency bank ya interest ko ya ku
whatever banks
it's no bank. It's apart from the circles which are even not very strong there. Nondoteo in Ambesi era core kinya strong. So it's a barabara network is one thing. To tenya irrigation water. Rojo irrigation rombo tedia. Maybe particularly the Roa season, the Roa zone, Oteru. There are so many Ikuajibi Donaro Gerene, carrots, many things. You know, they have no single value foundation here program.
And the settlement is can want to reach.
Rich in what now? It reached it to go there. So I developed interest on our own, because don't manifesto one are very clear, and they want an interest, and they were calling. Or I go to this are calling. They were should go and work for my people. Now did I with the Rato go nogi, they got let me go at this age. Where now I can be able to run up and down to serve my people. So that's basically what motivated me to go to politics. But I didn't regret, because in the Terenggero Bakura, all parts of constituency to Kunde, I was well received by people. Chasiako tenonda igwa kasoro, tenonda aruboy muntu, tenonda arumana. See, so I really advanced my area. Na nenyingwera mujumbe orere kuna imwera yaftenda tuona na kamera wa people kera bakwenda ikole twamwe. Then at the national government, county government, at least we have a change. Kedi barabara jaichi ya chadiru na nikwe barabara ronjoro ya Kaliene Gaito Road. Eje Kedaku Road up to Kediro and Buenjaro that side. Charonjaro up to now, you know, people are just with their people and we for suffer. People are really suffering. During rain seasons, Central Menti. Tika barabara iko rokete osi rasima menya highway kuma Kivongo Mwanka Chogoria isara ile rasima ene on bokorokera ekoro no ere korokera. Oh, that's not our tarmac. Ngi me na highway it's not our tarmac kinye nge gaito that this is magitembene mitongo de rasima, but we are talking of connecting roads. Ina che Central go connect and the Central. So it's really one thing. Ndio tenga mateo yo ndiro ndagere interest. Kwenda teviando. No ke na teviando. No mangoji ke kieni no rombe kula. So that's how I entered into politics.
Lakini oko agiteke kia politics. No atongeria baraba kuka gitene kaka tukiambiria governor county Meru. Atongeria baraba athurerwe. No kuona bagita ngugi ore ko bateria.
Mr. Gitonga nte comment ya unande nonto you know me thirikari ya county twamĩambĩrĩrie na ngavana Munya tũtinya ĩtigĩokarĩra you know we are no city ĩtigĩokarĩra leave alone na another challenging issue ngavana Munya narĩ na magamba koguo itangu morning ageta courtini nonto naikĩtwo high court aja eta achinde gamba eta Nyeri by appeal court of appeal eta achindwa eta Supreme Court eta achinde gamba. So that period you know was also a very trying period na tuitangu mono na tuweka wa record straight you know now having worked there na baba Tonya kugecha on tumbo comment lakini bathome from what we did kugecha tu ira twitere menya you know me as a county secretary utenga banonge ore nyuma wo ngabana Munya te atako bagia gintu kuma kiri in other governor kanja area ko batithie nya department igetwa trade and industry igetwa kai batithagia na mato jo inya kuthithia emblem logo sale county I'm telling you geta Gikaro Syria bambuga baroma gomeona lakini it took governor more than you know kuthithia tembo chero because no lazima ithoro na image message people kwenda communicate kireo star ira china communication ndoji ira chekunda na china communication so you can see where mentokera twanjeritie na inya ku harmonize the two levels of you know inherited workers from the county councils and our employees kuleta antu bau amwe bage harmony na bage vision. So we did a lot to the thirikari babe kube na county secretary ntetherite in other county secretary and aliombere kwou kokobya minute ntetherite now they have at least they have a reference so abaite ngo ino ndorande ndebo comment chiao iba bena reference ira chiti na ira na ara to ikinyire that time na ara ngabana Munya exitire na na to exitire they have all the library of what we did, they have people files things are done but you know let them learn from there. I think as we proceed to comment about their working performance for now to me you know we did a lot watachi vitale no ikagunya twira kaikumentira chiare thirikari ira twire ya kwa scandal twauga tutejo kiuno ndu ya ndorire mbot gavana na agurite orinde ingi from Germany na ira ikoretwa gikomborite enwe na wakugurite slightly cheaper than kinya ira twera watule na arega lakini na aura mono kurega na aura mono na ndiba ya kuona hizi ya scandal we had a big dream ugeta kianja iwona inya promise omba ona model tamakira twenda gwikira the entire county ugeta ya kianja barabara ere kwina miromo anka miathene ona bara ndiara utege ona model promise technology ira ngabana wetete Malaysia ejani ona nenda gwikira in every sub county 10 kilometers lakini erigero chiacha manke that dream adoka era manto million and one so anyway we did so much Mr. Gitonga babe kubena ukantukura bena reference let them work
county secretary oria we kutha imbuga na kuragia mataro rimwe kwa rimwe
I know him
predecessor.
I know him I know him lakini you know I've been also quite busy maybe he's also busy in the office ituijene very busy with the buga when with the time andogora I can ede to tearege mantu angoge to tearege mantu angoge lakini buga menyambo gato ya Meru but you know he has yamwera na kuwata ore kweta na ndimbuga in the future kwembuga kamburi lakini tutaorania mantu ango lakini I know him tuijene at personal level na nyamburi atande ko mwira arare Meru, I can offer assistance ndamwene tetheria. I have no problem. Lakini tutaragia mandu wangu na bwana na teme mtu atithite ngugi. Ukawenda reba na ndo itithite ngari. Na irachi bitako lemba gukinyanga na meata oragia. Lakini akija kulema.
Bwana Kimathi, after nande okuma kutweka county secretary.
Yes.
Okuma siasene.
Yes.
Okuma after manto jau jonde.
Yes.
Nimbi Bwana Kimathi athithagia kagitene gaka.
Thaa iji after ndikuthiria siasa you know taumite nyana kwa ministry. I went there, we started negotiating on the taumite no
education
that resigned it no and I went there to anjiria kwaria on what is manto wacha leo program ne there are so many other things che program ne na also after siasa lazima ujoke karibu kidogo hapo kidogo kwa kinyo streamline lakini very soon it will be settling somewhere on the nani at least complete enough na ruo ko kwa tamea kibumbi kiutomete teke bumbi kya mchele lakini very soon it will be settling and saying we want to do this to do certain work.
Na during your free time, Bwana Kimathi, ndio thithagia during your free time?
During my free time, mainly, you know, I do a lot of reading. That is one. You know, I have so many other work. You go to Kanisa. I have several meetings. I'm the patron of Karian and where if there's a meeting, you know, I go there and share. And it, you know, it's one of the best in the school we have in the Central Imenti last year. And I must thank the teachers there and also the parents. Na inya the outgoing principal as well welcoming the incoming principal. Na inya litwa who are very disciplined. In around 26 to the university. And the school, it is the best in the school in Central Imenti now. Kanisa also keeps me very much occupied, being the chair, and again I've started a school there that is quite big, St. Andy and Monday. You know, out of your free schedule from the family affairs, there's much. Also siasa, and I'm very alert about what is going on in the entire county and in our Central Imenti. So I have so many people visiting me, and all this we share about politics, what is going on in the county, what is going on in my sub-county. So really, I enjoy, you know, I'm in the civil service for long. Now, I know golden time like now, I'm break, which you now keep on interacting and checking on what is going on. Now, of course, my personal issues are also quite many. Quite many, yes.
Na okwariria siasa, Bwana Kimathi, na kwa siasa baba inge bara bambetia kwariria siasa cha mwaka jwa 2022 kagitene gaka.
Yes.
What's your view?
No. We should not be discussing about 2022. 2022 is far. You know what we should be busy now? We should be busy go checking bitu kuona. Na itwaringire kura. Both the county level, constituency level, na twaringira mujumbi wa ward up to the president. Kila kireona ndena wananchi kila bafati bake concentrate on is imbi musiaso ora twikirie county assembly aturetera. Imbi musiaso ora twikirie national government aturetera. Imbi musiaso ora twaere governor, ora twaere senator, ora twaere women rep aturetera. Imbi president tukona kiwe Uhuru Kenyatta. You know, you bottom line nande. Bwana Gitonga nonto. You know, the corona okora. Kenya ogoja ono okora. Legacy. You know what happens for 5 years. You chia konjwa, you will not see them again. Go imbere tu ikonja, impito akonja. It's not about the president in 2022, about the Ruto, about who and who. No. That time will come. Time we go to who is the president ekeja. No. Dande to bati go otega. Dande to geja cabinet secretary munya nairo getega yes. No kwa nande jaras other time no na the appointment jaira other yache to the various people in Meru are given some appointment. Na ngwa na kwa nya koleta the new KCC branch in Meru County. You know, if you to focus into the people bikuja. Then Meru County imbi governor Meru to didiria. Imbi MP to didiria. Imbi MCO to didiria. Imbi uhuru to nengera. Ya barabara iko kwa nalita ronchwa settlement. Hiyo ni ombeka concern. No to kwenda te becomes te modere. Watu kale no. Becomes kinyoka president to kabatu tena gentole. What is there? So me I'm purely against that one. Na nyao gavana munye ndika na kiripo mwena rete Ruto lengi twara PNU binga wa mono. Amera don't look at it. PNU na 2020 tegera 20 So I think you should concentrate on the record and development. Now president adide kutara somebody to oversee the development. I did recommend not to politicized. It are politicized. Now there was I think what will happen, the car screened from the office of the president, and you know we talk of now the regional commissioners, then the county commissioners, regional county commissioners. All these people will be now supervising the projects. They are politicized. Go to get out of the regional commissioner. Why is it not happening? I can't answer the president. President Nabatiko Tiga legacy. This one is about the legacy. Yes. Sera ke baake atigire. Ke baake repte legacy. President Duru Nabasha Tiga legacy. So I am happy the way is going. Yes.
Ndero kagita getoke akwe kuthira ende mbe tumaruka. Bwana Kimathi achoka kai siasene. Manyo orugure yuku kaba wanjire kuthoma. No thirerie. Number 2 ninga ugo kanisa ndiko inga yukulera. Lakini until you close the book you still turn pages. Maya page randa atanire nemwe yukule siasa. Na giteke MP. Kwina page ntarugure kwenda giteke kia senator, kia gavana, kinya president, nande anjirire kuthoma yuku penji, weta wirugura. Wow, siasa is in me. That ato ibaije no Kimathi central imenti. Go ibaije Kimathi nyago kiro tuko. Kaire unimbuga anta karande menya. Ugatanda rongi na Antone tege okalira. So weda Antone tege kalira no ndongi nyana ande tandaro tanda karande. Ugaduga ke chomo duga standing MPs. This is our standing MPs. O karande duga era sitting MP. Ahora rongi no agatao. Tali mina standing. Asante sana Bwana Kimathi. Ikweja studio le cheto tukanarua na kwaneria watu nkona anto yuba kwaneria watu aja bayato ijake accent Bwana Amundi nkogwerwe imataro jaku. Ongea liuga Kimathi uko sawa. Ongea kauga my friend to his former driver. The man is awesome. He knows how to treat his workers. Na Bwana Kimathi buga tokithirekeria buru buga kwe ntomerie ria umba kwitha wene okay Meru antu betu ba Meru ankobera antu bara baduri then various positions na kebera bongo bara baduri roe ibatwitire ngugi na mono ngugire kuritwa ibathithie public participation sheria ni katiba ni kuga kenda ngogire igaitwa uwitranto bachioni bwetania ande anainji bakaba bena se kingogira ikyo gituma katiba rugura public participation ogithiri ontonto dire public participation antu babewerewe ba dide mandero jau ande gotera kwena mukuchanio jo anto na adani antu bakamenya ketho kwenda gwaka cibitare atu bamenye twakira cibitare baerewe bamiende no ndo bageta ku nya bajwa bageta cibitari so let na ndo beto na boy ba yarati no ndo gato kwena maendeleo to na generation ya tukandira over this county na to na generation nya tu ato handle over ko omuntu onde na itengo yawe Meru ne batiko dara national cake president through ajumbe na women rep na senator baba tiko dara into bira bi Nairobi bado Meru ga change ba tika the legacy
county government enande ndakugure enande second government it must live its legacy ireba otiga Meru in better than it found it na yo netika kwalira kwina public participation mzuri antu bakini boba kwa yaraguwa no ukabakinyeria no to bakinyeria boteta safari ibwetanya na antu safari kena development ya all constituencies because Meru is rich na antu by fast totally and shikiene na megikira mtu uhuru ona bathithirie na Raila tukiwa na uhuru etina na kurugura development is Raila it's a community so let's people embrace the handshake work together uto monini no monene so that because tato gatora nde bwana gitongo definitely will leave this world na tato gatiga thiguru what batazi bila to gatiga the riches no kinyoge ta withoma orano muntu thome wero juiro na ike 10 wera watwana na responsibility indi na mayokuru bantu very few by the way wengi ngono go na ara itangugi na ara itangugi wetanga manto jau so it's not about how many millions how many what no let's people be sober and live their legacy na batike okera bange na batike kwa suspicious of anybody Meru people are good na ngecho kairinya nto bakwa ba sentimenting kado ndara bampungite mbaru mono already ba watanire babonanie wendo bao kiri maendeleo na mtu itengogewe tulivulega se sentiment kena tumba kodara Ethiopia national government na ngibere ibwaga mono ni uraba wendo raba mboneti in 2017 ni nabo 100% na I think we also great you people that ibo participate wero TV ke kwa ndere itanianto mono menere mashinani na bokaitha mantu nara mantu yathukie tandika ni buko gajari chatibu winya bwantu bakamenya na security ndo twebere alert nukona ndaro shababu you know our own Meru baba gotonya twebere kinigira na betu na tobakarie mono na twebere alert so that ana betu batekeje gotonyi twake those minas ana betu kweta kwimburu that's a big loss tobati kwa bere alert nukona ndaro shababu tena alert ga shababu ina shababu ila chena ala even our own people yes. So we must be very alert in Meru no ndo Meru no kai strategically tegete na ara tukurwana na maitha jara jena nyomba yao Somali na ni business ya to the Somali people who are also very good people to but with that we very alert because security is very necessary so na washukuru sana mkeja kaire for another theme
tugagweta kaire
so that you can be able to build Meru na gombero di Kenya ya ekara sawa.
Asante bwana Kimathi. Ikweja studio le chetu na kija kwa niria watu era antura ndeva kumenya Kimathi kinyankoroki.
Yes.
Na wotegerie au ne otowekea gatanta mubango Jojo Gikaro na Kaunti gwatania nani ithaitha twa nusu cia kinyange kuletea nteto cia wero ningetwa Eston Gitonga.